I don't know, honey, we might need a bigger cabin.
Okay, for those of you who are new to our channel, let's go down and check the Big Bertha out. Okay, here is our current Big Bertha.
I don't know, honey, we might need a bigger cabin.
Okay, for those of you who are new to our channel, this is what the cedar logs will end up looking like. I know I'm backlit, but I'm going to show you Big Bertha in the basement. Big Bertha downstairs is very similar to the one we're working on today, trying to get it set up so she can continue working on it. So let's go down and check the Big Bertha out. Okay, here is our current Big Bertha in the basement. Actually, the one she's working on now, Big Bertha 2, it looks similar, but almost bigger than this. I think it's bigger than this. And she's planning on putting it in our new VRBO cabin, which will be a treat, because this took, I think, 4 of us to bring this one in. So this is what they turn out to be in the long run, with a lot of work and a lot of dedication. So anyways, let's get back to moving Big Bertha into place so she can get going on it. Just beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
There she is. Whoa. Wow. Like I said, this is 19 inches diameter on the bottom. And it tapers off, but oh girl. You are going to be a handful, but you are going to be beautiful too. Now I only need, the walls are 10 feet. And then the angle comes up, so it'll be just like, pretty much like our house here. So I only need about 14 feet. And I also want to try, and I may end up not doing it, I want to try and take this curve and run that above the window. Probably cut it off somewhere around here. I don't need that peak there. But we could put, you know, like a stuffed fake, like an owl or some kind of animal, put it up there. I think that would look really neat. Wow, it looks massive out here. But I'm going to go ahead and keep peeling off some of that bark that's still on there. And I think this is probably holding some weight up. So I think I'm going to leave it on there, because these poor horses, man, they really squatted when she came down. But 14, if I trim it off a little on the bottom, I'm really only going to need about this much. But I definitely want to keep that, because I can use that for something else for sure. It's sunny, it's 50. It's going to rain again tomorrow, so I'm going to get going on it.